Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you something exotic. They said it's a duck, and it's a wild duck, and we have birds up there. Ayan o, that's a top-notch bird. Actually umuulan or umaambon, sprinkle sabi nila dito, tawag nila. So those are wild ducks. Parang hindi, diba? If you're gonna compare it sa mga bibe na alaga namin sa Pinas, entirely different. Ang liit ng katawan. Hi, Bardy. Oh, what are you doing? Oh! Oh! Ah, that's your sound. You're calling your mate. I might walk a little bit. Yeah. He's so cute. Papadilim na dito, guys. Tapos yun, medyo payat. Sino ba siya? So ayun yung malaki. Siguro lalaki yan. And then the other one. Ayan siya, guys. Babae siguro yan. Yeah, maybe. And this one over here. You hear that, guys? He's calling his partner. And the partner is on the other lower branch. That one. Fly up. Fly up, girl. Your boyfriend is up there. Yan sila, oh. Ayan siya. Ayun yung oh, see, I told you. I told you, right? Ay, lumipat siya. Umalis, iniwan niya yung partner niya. Nagtatampo siguro. Baka may LQ. Sounds like the pigeon. We have plenty of pigeons or kalapati sa Bataan, Philippines. Sun is different. Ay, ito. Saan pupunta? Pwesto siya doon. Isa lumipat na. So anyway, guys, let's go back to the to the main character. Ayan o. Yan sila, guys. Parang may inakay doon, iyak ng iyak. So ayan na nga, guys. There they are. There's a bird crying. Wild duck daw yan, baby daw. Is it true? Comment down below. Dami nila, oh. I think there's 7 in total. So let's help me count, guys. So the small one, 1. The smallest one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Diba? Iyak na ibon yun. Baka gutom na yung babying ibon. Ay, uwak ba yun? Dami kasing puno dito sa amin. So yes. Naku, nasa Pinas lang to. Naku, inalagaan na to. Hindi naman sila mukhang Hindi naman sila mukhang bibi, no? Wild duck daw yan. Hindi rin ako mukhang itik. Oh, ano ba yun? I wanna walk closer, guys. Sana wag silang lumipad. And they're always in a group. Pero yung isa ngayon, ayun, malapit na siya sa daan. Ayan, ayan. Yan. Daming humingi. Oh, good. Ay, I saw birds. Pakita ko lang, guys. May puno kasi dyan. Yan, ang taas-taas niyan, guys. Ayun naman nakita ko even. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha? Isa-zoom ko. Hanggang kaya lang. Ayan, oh. Kaya lang dark na eh, guys. Paggabi na eh. Ayan siya, oh. May putol na sanga, diba? Andun siya sa may dahon. Sumapayat na sanga. Ayan. Going back. Simple. Ay, marami pa pala. Susgi atay. Eh, diba, ilan sila rito? Isa. 7 pa ba sila? Saan na yung isa? Tumawid na yata. 6 na lang ang natira. Ayan. 2, 4, 6. Ingay ng mga ibon na to. Tumalam ako naglalampungan. So going back, as I was saying, mahanap na sila ng hahapunan na nila yung mga ibon. Ingay, ah. Gaya nung ibon dito, guys. Ayun siya, oh. Pakita ko muna to. Ayun si top notch, oh. Ayan na siya. Hindi na kasama yung jowa niya. Lumipat na ibang sanga. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos, lumalayo na po yung aking mga alaga. Char. Kasi may napansin ako dun sa kabila, sa kapitbahay namin. Meron pang ibang wild duck doon. Ayan, guys. Ay, alis na sila. Bye-bye. Uy, saan punta? Curious lang ako kung nalipad itong mga to. No, there's none. Just the wild duck.
Sorry?
The wild duck.
Oh yeah, I think one of them's injured. It lives.
Oh.
Yeah, one of them, yeah.
They don't fly.
Sorry?
They don't fly.
Barely.
Yeah.
We missed the little horse was out earlier.
Oh yeah. But we have ducks at home,
Yeah.
different shape. This look like a bird, like a bigger pigeon.
Yeah. These ones have been hanging around for about a week, but one of them's injured.
Oh really?
I don't know if one of them got hit by a car or something.
Maybe got hit. And there are plenty, more than 10.
What do you want about? No. I was telling Jocelyn this morning one of the little ponies was in.
The baby one?
Oh yeah, no, we called the neighbour this morning. She comes close. And then, no, she was here this morning because, yeah, the pony got out of the fence, running out of cars. So we called her.
Alright, kept on crying, that bird. So noisy. Ayun no, over there oh, sa kapitbahay namin. Medyo malayo pa yan dito guys, kung ilang, mga 200 or 300 meters pa siguro yun. Naka-zoom lang. Ayan yung kapitbahay namin. Ayan. Ayan oh, dun sa banda nila na yun, sa may green na damuhan. Oh, may mga wild duck din. Kasi yun eh, nasa 10 yata tong mga to. So yes, yun lang po guys. Thank you so much for watching. Pag lumapit pa ako, naku, aalis na yan sila. So ayan no, umuusog na nga. Ano. Saan punta mo, girl? Ano siya? Uy, balik kayo dito ah. Uy, saan ang punta? Hindi raw, parang di mo sila lumilipat. Ay, galing. Hindi mo sila mga itik. Para silang dark, in between gray and violet. Di ba no? Tapos yung isa. Kung sa atin pa to guys, hindi yan ano, hindi nga mukhang itik. Hindi yan bide, hindi yan pato. Ibang iba oh. Ito oh, mukhang ano, mukhang payat. Oh, lo, nanunuwag pa isa. Yung isa medyo maputi. So yes. Uy, saan punta nyo? Lumalayo sila sa akin guys. I-zoom out ko. Ayan, oh, diba ang layo ko naman, diba? Oh, ang layo ko nga eh. Ang layo ko nga. Ayan. Maka-zoom na yan guys. So anyways, thank you for watching my video. Alalala, nag-away pa yung dalawang. Alalala, nanunuwag talaga siya. Oo. Ala. Bad. May isang masura ugali. Masabi niya, hindi kita tropa. Char. Lumayo ka. So manong isa na nanunugod. Hindi pala siya manunuwag kasi wala siyang sungay. Dak nga sila guys, kumakwakwak eh. Yan na sila. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Siyam lang. Wala na guys, andun na sila. Okay. Thank you so much. Paki-like naman po ang video. Bye. Bye.